Hey there everyone, welcome back to Mr.Laowai-English Tech. Today we are diving into the exciting world of smartphones with a focus on the highly anticipated OnePlus S2 Pro. It offers a whopping 24GB of RAM, ensuring seamless multitasking and smooth performance. This device has been creating quite a buzz, and I'm here to give you the scoop on all the important details, so let's jump right in. Let's kick things off by talking about the design and build of the OnePlus S2 Pro. Picture this, a sleek, modern design that's available in two captivating colors that are sure to catch your eye. The back of the design is constructed with glass, giving you a comfortable grip, but the frame of a smartphone is made from plastic, which makes no sense in such flagship smartphones. You will find key components like the SIM card tray, which does not let you expand your storage with a micro SD card, and you can also find a port USB-C for charging and data transfer, as well as a single speaker. Now let's talk about what you will be staring at most of the time, the display. We are talking about a 6.74 inches OLED screen that's all about popping colors and sharp visuals. With a refresh rate of 120Hz, your scrollings and gaming experience will be smoother than ever. And guess what? Even on sunny days, the peak brightness ensures you won't be squinting, and that the fingerprint sensor, it's right in the display, offering a quick and secure way to unlock your phone. The OnePlus S2 Pro comes with a 5000 mAh battery, but what's truly exciting is the charging prowess of this device. The wired charger that comes with the OnePlus S2 Pro whooping a supervooc 150 watt of power. This means that from a completely drained battery, you will be back to 100% in an astonishing 17 minutes. As official said, ensuring you spend more time using it and less time waiting for it to charge. When it comes to connectivity, the OnePlus S2 Pro is no slouch. The Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 processor ensures you have got the horsepower to handle whatever you throw at it. And guess what? It's 5G ready, so your browsing and streaming will be faster. I guess playing high graphic games will run smooth, and your smartphone experience is bound to be smooth. It comes with NFC and Android 13 enhance your experience further. Now let's dig into what truly sets the OnePlus S2 Pro apart. Its impressive camera capabilities. The smartphone is designed to transform your photography game and capture moments in stunning detail. First in line, we have the main camera arm with a powerful 50 megapixel IMX890 sensor. This sensor isn't just about numbers, it's about delivering remarkable clarity and detail to your photos. Whatever you are capturing, vibrant outdoor sceneries or embracing the crazy ambitious of low light settings, the OnePlus S2 Pro's main camera excels, delivering images that impress. But that's not the only trick up its sleeve. The OnePlus S2 Pro features an 8 megapixel ultra-wide angle lens that lets you capture the full scope of your surroundings. But personally, I don't like this 8 megapixel ultra-wide angle lens. After taking pictures, they come up with low quality and blurry. And this also comes with the 2 megapixel macro lens. With this lens, you can explore intricate textures, vibrant colors, and dedicate features that might have otherwise gone unnoticed. Hi guys, I'm recording this video from front camera, which is 16 megapixel 1080p, and I'm walking next to the road, and I'm not using any external microphone, so you will know the real quality of sound. Yeah. Alright, so I'm recording the video from back camera, and I'm using ultra wide, and it seems very blurry actually. And when you are on the ultra wide mode, you can't zoom in or either zoom out, so you just record ultra wide. And I'm going to stop this video now. This is a normal mode, starts from 1x, and you can zoom in to 10x, and you can zoom out from 10x to 1.0x. And I'm recording this video from back camera and 4K video recording, 30 FPS. Okay, so you can also do vlogging like this. I'm just walking next to the road, and it's going to rain. So yeah, this is a result, and I'm not using any external microphone. So yeah, I'm going to get inside, otherwise I will get wet.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away, as you fade away.
Yeah, I'm about to fade away, cause every time I wake up I feel like it's Monday. Something's going wrong with all the chemicals up in my brain. All of a sudden I don't look at anything the same way. Got a build up of my thoughts sitting in an ashtray. I'm sorry that I'm so inconvenient, okay. Just let me be me and I'll stay out of your way. I can see the way you look at me, I'm such a disgrace. I never really asked to be brought into this place. You wanna love me? Well then baby, have a taste. All the highs and the lows, no, you'll never be the same. I don't really wanna hurt you, but I can't control the pain. If you're sticking by my side, maybe we could be okay. Okay, maybe you could be the change.
On to the aesthetics, the OnePlus S2 Pro comes in these two color options, titanium gray and aurora green. And let's not forget about storage. You can choose from 12GB, 16GB and 24GB variants. Pricing starts at 3000 RMB, 3400 RMB and 4000 Chinese RMB, offering a range of options to suit your preferences. And there you have it, a comprehensive look at the OnePlus S2 Pro, from its captivating design to its powerful performance, versatile camera system and advanced features. This smartphone has a lot going for it. Thanks for hanging out with us today on Mr.Laowai-English Younus Ghazali. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button and share your thoughts in the comments below. Until next time, stay curious and stay connected.